Hey guys, welcome back to Show Me Small Engines. Just picked up this Craftsman 24-inch snowblower. I think it has the 179cc engine on it. And first and foremost, before I get into doing a tune-up on this thing, I want to replace this pull cord. So if this happens to you, where the pull cord snaps and the rope retracts into the thing, this is a quick and easy steps to replace this. If you break your handle and you want to get a new one, I'll show you where you can get one of these just on Amazon. Fortunate for this one, it does have an electric start. But if you're out in the snow and it stalls on you or something, it clogs up, you want to shut it off. Now you gotta, take it back in and plug it in. So I'm going to show you real quick how to restring this, and we can do it like it is on the wheels here. But I find it a little bit easier if I just tilt the whole thing up on its front end and go in from the top. So I'll show you how to do that. So preferably on some cardboard. You don't want to scratch up your auger here. You're just going to tilt it up on its front end. And now we have easy access to the pull cord assembly right here. All right, now there's three 8mm bolts holding the pull cord assembly on. So we're going to remove those guys. Be careful, there's a washer underneath. So we don't want to lose that washer. So once you get all three bolts off, that pull cord assembly is just going to pop right off. And we're going to take this over to the bench and put a new string on it. All right, a few things you're going to need is some pull cord, a torch or a lighter, something to cut the pull cord, maybe a needle nose to pull it through, a screwdriver to hold everything in place, and then obviously the handle. So what I'm going to do is find the hole that comes out, and it's right there inside the plastic inner wheel here. And I'm going to turn this counterclockwise. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go one more to 6. I can always come back and adjust that, but I'm going to stop with that hole right here where the pull cord ends, lines up just with the hole that goes out into the outside the pull cord assembly. Then I'm going to lock this in place with a screwdriver. But as soon as that lines up where I want it, let's go right here. All right, now I got that locked in place. So that won't retract on me as long as I got that screwdriver in place. Now I'm going to pull my pull cord. This is 4.5 millimeters or 9/64 diameter. I got 100 feet of this because I do this a lot. 4.5 or 5 would be good for a snowblower. 4 might be a little bit on the small side. I'm going to go out to about 7-8 feet. So that's about 2 foot past my arm span, and I'm going to cut that right there. And then with a torch, we're going to put a good edge on that so that doesn't fray. Just careful, it's hot. All right. Now on the assembly, we're going to come in from the hole here and then right out the other side there. Then on this side, before I lose anything, I'm going to make a knot. And I'm going to hit that with a torch too. Right. And we can pull this all the way through. I'll put the other end through the handle. And on this side, we put another knot. I like to do it like a double knot, double loop. Make it a little bit bigger so it doesn't pull through. All right, we can leave that little tail on there. That's fine. It's going to look just like that. Now, hold that pull cord assembly in place. We'll take the screwdriver out, and then we're going to let this retract. And I'm just a little, just about right there. Actually, I think that's going to be good. If it seems too long, I can just pull this out and make another loop. If it, I could turn this one more time, but I don't want to go many times past like 6 there, because then you're going to put a lot of stress on the spring. So let's check that. We'll see if we can pull start it. And if it feels like it bottoms out too soon, then we made it too short. But if it can pull really far, I might shorten this up just a little bit to make sure that retracts pretty firm. So let's go back and put it on the machine. Drop that down in place. Make sure you got your washers. And then we'll tighten them down. Now we're gonna set it back on the wheels and see if we can, if we have enough. So I should be able to pull. Yeah, that's pretty good. I could probably get away with shortening this up a little bit to make it a little bit tighter, and so it doesn't hang like that. So I'll probably take about 4 or 5 inches down, tie a knot, cut the rest off, and I think that'll be good. So if I want to shorten this up a little bit, I'll just go down a little bit, tie another knot right here. There we go. That's a little tighter. Now I can just cut this off and just torch that so it doesn't fray on me, and I'm good to go. So that's it, guys. Quick, easy tutorial how to replace this pull cord. If you want to see videos about how getting these type of machines to run, I got other videos. You can check them out in the top there. Check out my channel over there. And thanks for watching. If this helps you, give me a thumbs up, and catch you guys next time.